Alright folks, if you're looking for a profitable side hustle, fixing chimneys might be your golden ticket. Let's dive right in. First things first, safety is paramount. Always wear protective gloves, goggles, and a dust mask. Trust me, you don't want to be inhaling soot all day. Now let's talk tools. You'll need a sturdy ladder, a chimney brush, a wire brush, a shop vac, and a flashlight. These basics will get you started on the right foot. Step 1. Inspection. Check the chimney cap, flue, and damper. Look for cracks, creosote buildup, and any blockages. A flashlight will be your best friend here. If you spot damage, you'll need to repair or replace the affected parts. For cleaning, use your chimney brush to scrub away that stubborn soot. Start from the top and work your way down. This ensures that all the debris falls to the bottom where it's easier to clean up. Next up, the wire brush. Use this to tackle any tough creosote deposits. Creosote is flammable, so getting rid of it is crucial for safety. Once you've scrubbed everything down, use the shop vac to clean up the loose debris at the base of the chimney. Make sure it's a wet-dry vac to handle both soot and any moisture. Now, let's talk repairs. For small cracks, a bit of refractory cement can do wonders. Apply it with a trowel and smooth it out for a seamless fix. For larger issues, you might need to replace sections of the flue or damper. Don't worry, there are plenty of tutorials online to guide you through these more complex repairs. Finally, don't forget to check the chimney cap. A good cap prevents rain, debris, and critters from getting into your chimney. If it's damaged, replace it ASAP. And there you have it. With the right tools and a bit of know-how, you can start making money fixing chimneys in no time. It's a dirty job, but someone's got to do it, and that someone could be you. Thanks for watching, and happy hustling.